Hi, I'm Brendan Powell with Mana Extracts. So as we were evaluating the PDX.Gold pump with our CMEP-OLs, value is a big thing. You can't just look at it from a price perspective. You really need to look at what is the pump going to do day in, day out, the efficiencies you're going to gain in that process, and ultimately how much more throughput and oil production are we going to get out of it. And sitting down, doing the math on a spreadsheet makes sense, but you actually have to put it into action. And what we've seen thus far is we're able to get multiple more runs put together throughout the week, which far is going to take into account the excess capital going into buying a pump like this than maybe some of the cheaper pumps we were using in the past. For us, the PDX.Gold VaporWulf is a efficient, fast, reliable pump. It's not going to, cause a ton of noise within the room, and it's also going to ensure that we get the throughput and output that we need to ensure we're growing this company. I would absolutely recommend the PDX.Gold pump, and it really comes down to, the value you receive out of it. If you're just simply price hunting, number hunting, that is not the full equation to look at. You need to look at what this pump is going to do for you through your output and production ability within your facility. And if you sit there and actually analyze that, there's a strong case to be made that you should purchase the PDX.Gold pump.
I'm Corey Fry. I'm an extractor for Mana Extracts in Portland, Oregon. So the performance of the VaporWulf pump has been superior to our CMEPs. We were running 4 CMEP pumps to power our equipment. We have replaced that with a single unit. The efficiency of this unit is superior to the CMEP pumps for the speed at which it can transfer the solvent. We saw an increase of 20 to 25% time reduction in our distillation. The pump seems to be more reliable than the CMEPs as well. Our CMEPs were going out for rebuilds about every 6 months or so, which was very expensive and time consuming. It stopped production, so we don't have that issue with the VaporWulf, and that's why we chose this one. I would recommend the PDX.Gold for other extraction labs. The efficiencies can't be beat. The noise reduction makes communication in your extraction room easier.
Hi, my name is Miguel. I'm an extractor at Mana Extracts in Portland, Oregon. The recovery pump by PDX.Gold has been exponentially one of the best pumps that we've ever had. One of the biggest problems that we have is maintenance. We're having to constantly maintenance every 3 to 6 months with the CMEPs. With the recovery pump with PDX.Gold, you don't really have to do that anymore because it's fucking awesome. On a serious note, I take very much pride in our country. I love to invest my money in local companies and companies that are made in America because I really don't believe in outsourcing. I believe that Americans make some of the best products in the whole entire world, and I'm really happy that PDX.Gold utilizes every aspect of that. Customer service with PDX.Gold has been awesome. We have been able to call them, and within one ring, we get answers. With other companies, we're rarely ever having to get things dealt with on time. With calling PDX.Gold, we're getting things done. The pumps from PDX.Gold have been a very large upgrade to our work environment. Here inside of our room, we haven't been able to communicate very well because of the loud noises that the CMEP pumps make. Inside of the room, communication is very important. Inside of the room, being able to hear things that happen in here is very important to safety. Number one thing inside of this room is safety. We don't only just take care of patients and people who use recreational marijuana, but we take care of our coworkers and each other. We would recommend PDX.Gold recovery pumps to every extractor on this planet because it saves time and money, and that is the most important thing to most companies.
If I could describe the PDX.Gold pump in a few words, it would be reliable, efficient, and quiet.
It's a silent assassin. It kills.
If I could describe the PDX.Gold recovery pumps in a few words, I would say they're hella fire.